I use the AGO Phonics Advanced Level 4 and 5 cards for my teacher training seminars. Some students, future English teachers of kids in Japan, pretend they are teachers while the rest pretend they are kids. The cards are ideal for children aged 6 to 9 years old, and they become a solid resource and give decent examples of how to gamify learning for young learners. These cards are not just simple recall drills, but they push students to think about the phonics rules and patterns in a more nuanced way. I appreciate that I can get my students to brainstorm different ways in which they could use the cards. Students have to think of ways to integrate them into lessons without having to plan something elaborate. Basically, with these cards, you can do quick flash rounds, pair discussions, or small group activities, and even students who are a bit hesitant at first warm up to the challenge because these cards are clear and engaging. The progression from level 4 into level 5 feels natural too. It gives a way to scaffold without a huge leap in difficulty. These do demand more attention and support from the teacher, which is a good thing for learners at this age. Students, using the cards, not teaching with the cards, have to work a bit. For anyone teaching phonics to kids at a more advanced English level, these cards aren't too shabby. Recommend.